Hi, it's Beth Creedon here. Today we're going to talk about certainty and uncertainty and how the balance of those two things that's very particular to you and your desires and your wants and your needs allows you the understanding and a feeling of freedom. So we all really like certainty, but we all really like uncertainty as well. So some people will really enjoy having certainty in their work life, but really don't like certainty in their relationship world. Other people like a lot of physical certainty, a lot of safety certainty, like, they are kind of physically cautious. But on the other side of that, they might be really enjoy uncertainty in the mental realm. They love creating like new products, but from the safety of their living room. Everybody is different. I'd like you to list the areas of your life that you enjoy having certainty around. And then next to it, I'd like you to write the areas of your life where you really enjoy having uncertainty. Once you've done that, capture that down there and just be like, okay, understanding what that gives you. What does it give you to have that certainty in that area? What does it give you to have that uncertainty in that area? What do you like about that? Then, on columns next to either side of those lists, I'd like you to write, so on the certainty side, I'd like you to write, okay, so creating more uncertainty in this area, like what might that give you? So just lean into the opposite. So if you've chosen to have lots of certainty into work life, what would a little bit more uncertainty give you? What might be possible? And equally, on the uncertainty side, in the next column, what might a little bit more certainty give you in that area? And just explore it. I'm really encouraging you to just see what the sweet spot of balance could give you. Just in acknowledging your own personal recipe for what you enjoy certainty and uncertainty wise, and how you can call more of that in and take action to actually create that in your life. Have a great day.